Here we are at Sutton Junction level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe and M trains. Alarm works again.
So guys, M trains here. Also joined on call with Joe Thorpe, who's currently on location at Sutton Junction level.
There we go. Time now is 20:54 on Tuesday the 29th of August 2017. This is for you 20:100, expected 59, 2 Delta 25, East Midlands train service from Worksop to Nottingham.
Guys, in catch that, the 2022 2 Delta 25 East Midlands train service from Worksop to Nottingham.
Well done. Did you catch Amber?
I think so. I might have just missed it. I don't know.
She sounded as though you started a bit late.
Yeah.
All these barriers are on the floor. They are as well, look, Mike. Look.
Yeah.
That's quite good. That's on the floor. Definitely on the floor.
Just waiting for the train to come out.
Here it is. We've got 156 for 11. 156 411 to Nottingham via Sutton and Ashfield.
Isn't that your stalker, Joe?
No.